Hi everyone, this is Tina from Ihomagic. Today I want to show you one Oxford laundry basket with wheels. Okay, let's get started. Is this one? This laundry basket with wheels is the most classic one, and it's made by 600 Oxford fabric with PE cotton linen, and which is waterproof, moisture-proof, and dust-proof. Let's see the details. On the top, there's mesh and drawstring closure, and it can avoid inside things from falling out. I think the most advantage of this laundry basket is the slim shape. And for the slim shape, it can be put into all corners which you want, and maybe under the wash basin or beside the washing machine. They can all be fine. And at the bottom, they have 4 wheels. The laundry basket can be easily removed like this. There also has a wheel with the button for brake. You can switch the button for brake. When you don't use it, you can lock it. It's very safety. Maybe at this time you're wondering if this laundry basket can be collapsible. Well, the answer is absolutely yes. Well, you can see there have 4 points into 4 corners. If you from the laundry basket like this, and the points also can be divided into 2 halves like this. And the specific installation steps is as below for your reference. Thanks for watching. Hope you all will be enjoyed this video, and see you